Hello everyone. I'm so glad seeing the comment section of the previous video that we have uploaded. Many of you have said कि आप लोगों का exam अच्छा हुआ and a few of you have requested to discuss the answers of the economics paper. So in this video we will be discussing the answers so that you can get an approx idea कि कितना आप लोगों का सही है कितना गलत है. So starting off with group A. The first question is, the degree of monopoly power increases if the right answer would have been price elasticity of demand is decreased. Number 2, transfer earning implies minimum supply price. Number 3, monopolist always sets the equilibrium price on that portion of the demand curve where E is greater than 1. It will always be E is greater than 1. That is where the monopolist sets its price because that is the only portion where MR is positive. Number 4, average factor cost. The right answer would have been the ratio of total factor cost to the factor employed. Number 5, it's a sum. If the net national product is 150 crores and the depreciation is 50 crores, then the gross national product will be, the right answer would have been 200 crores. Number 6, which of the following schemes is related to 100 days of guaranteed wage employment? The right answer would have been option C, that's MGNREGS. Then coming to the next question, at present the maximum share of India's national income comes from the tertiary sector. Number 8, which of the following committee recommended for the change in poverty line measures? That the Rangarajan committee. Number 9, if price elasticity is equal to 1 in monopoly market, the total revenue would be constant because when elasticity is equal to 1, total revenue is max, and if that's assumed to be like the same through all levels of output, TR would be constant. Then number 10, the concept of quasi-rent is forwarded by Marshall. Number 11, Niti Aayog was established in 2015. Number 12, Chilaya Committee appointed by Government of India is mainly related to tax reforms. Number 13, block pricing is related to second degree price discrimination. Number 14, which one of the following is not a feature of the monopoly market? The right answer would have been free entry and exit because the monopoly market, they create entry deterrence techniques so that other firms cannot enter into the market. Number 15, in a monopoly market, AR is greater than MR for all positive levels of output. That would be the answer. अगर आप लोगों के पास ये answer रहता कि for all levels of output, then that would have been the correct one. But just because you do not have that option, it would be for all levels of positive levels of output. Next question, the King demand curve model of oligopoly was developed by Pauline Swizzy. Number 17, which sector in India is regarded as the service engine of growth? That's the service sector or the tertiary sector. Number 18, which of the following types of unemployment is related to surplus labor? That's disguised unemployment. Number 19, which of the following is not the feature of underdeveloped economy? That's less dependence on the primary sector. Number 20, national income is correctly estimated by NNP-FC, net national product at factor cost. These were our questions in group A. Now coming on to group B, which was 2 marks. So the first question is, NRLM stands for, the right option would have been A, that's National Rural Livelihood Mission. Number 2, which one of the following is not a condition for adverse BOP situation? The right answer would have been capital account surplus. Number 3, the rent which arises due to the differences in the fertility of land, it's called a differential rent. Next question, which of the following is true for oligopoly? So the right option would have been indeterminacy in the equilibrium because that's one of the features. Number 5, the nominal GDP is measured by current market prices. Number 6, it's a sum again. If NNP-MP is equal to 1000 and indirect tax is equal to 50 and subsidy is equal to 30, then the value of national income, that would be 980. Number 7, which one of the following is not the cause of poverty in India? The right option would have been low rate of growth of population. Number 8, which one of the following is not included in balance of current account of a country? That's capital receipts. Number 9, if the equation of a demand curve in the monopoly market is given by P is equal to 12 minus 3Q, what will be the slope of the MR curve? The right answer would have been minus 6. Number 10, the relationship between GNP and GDP, it would be GDP is equal to GNP minus NFIA. Number 11, in Swizzy's oligopoly model, a King demand curve results in discontinuous MR. The next question, if AR is equal to 20 and MR equal to 10, then elasticity would be 2 because 20 by 10 is equal to 2. Then coming to the next question, Which one of the following is not the institutional sources of rural credit in India? That would be landlords. The name of the committee which was termed by Government of India for insurance sector reform is Malhotra Committee. Next question, the service-led growth in India was the outcome of the expansion of some new economy sectors such as. Now see, you have been given some new economy sector. If you had been asked for a particular one, then it would have been the IT sector or the option in which computer services is given. But just because you have been asked for some, that would be two options, that's financial service sector and computer software service. So the option would be option D, that's both B and C. Next question, the occupation structure of India shows maximum share of primary sector. Then a few more questions that we have left. During Green Revolution, there is a bumper rise in the production of wheat. That is why Green Revolution is also said to be a wheat revolution. Next question, which of these economists said that one of the signs of development is the declining contribution of the primary sector? That's Clark and Fisher. Next question, if P is equal to 40 and MC is equal to 20 for corresponding output of a monopoly firm, then the degree of its monopoly power would be 0.5. That would be the answer, because the formula that we have done in the marathon session, it's P minus MC, the whole thing in bracket divided by P. The next question, in the case of first degree price discrimination, the correct option would have been consumer surplus is equal to 0. Then the next question, if the supply of the factor is perfectly inelastic, then the economic rent will be exactly equal to the transfer earning. Then which of the following is not a feature of the monopolistic competition? The correct option would have been long run equilibrium occurs at the minimum point of long run average cost. Two more questions to go. For a monopoly firm, the value of marginal product is greater than marginal revenue product because price is greater than marginal revenue. Last question, cartel is observed in oligopoly. So that's the whole answer pattern for you. Like whatever answers, you can check it out which answers are wrong and let us know in the comment section, or which answers are right obviously. Let us know in the comment section ki how much marks you're expecting. Thank you.